Very good morning, friends. I am Nalakshi Swami. Welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. India VIX levels. India VIX has shot up 11.66, and today is the beginning of Deepavali and all. Tomorrow there will be trading only in the evening. Muhurat Trading will be there. So expiry may take place today. That's what I feel. I don't know exactly. But the things based on the India VIX 11.66, the levels to watch out for today is 25,866 and 25,552. These are the two boundaries you are going to watch out. So the market, what happened is yesterday, it ran up from here 25,500 and ran up to 25,786 and it corrected to 25,620. That was a very, almost 50% of correction, deep down correction market had given yesterday, but it took support around hourly balance line, hourly balanced pivot line. Later you can see there was reversal. The market reversed and within 1 hour, this is an 15 minutes candle, it rallied up to 25,745 and finally closed around 25,709. It made a low of 25,620 and closed around 25,709. That is more than 80 to 89 points. The here, if we see here the price action, you need to see the price action. It has come down and a big bar push up and then retracement. Still, the positive momentum is in the market. It can go past this. These are the sellers around 12:30. These are the pullback around 2:30. Sellers have been activated around 12:30. So probably any gap up today in the morning, we need to carefully watch. Around 9:30 gap up, it can trap these sellers and then late sellers. Around 12:45 sellers means it can gap up and cross the sellers, and we need to see how the price will proceed. Suppose if it goes to 25,860, probably it can take the sweep the liquidity and gather liquidity and can come back to this level. There is possibility. It appears that market will go after this run up. Deep correction, it indicates it will go some sort of sideways movement in the coming days. Today is expiry. Maybe there may be a wide range movement in the market. Initially, if it crosses above this level and comes back, lot of volatility you can see. This type of movement you can see. Instead of that, if it comes down and takes the support, then it will be a very nice thing. We'll see how the play will be, but it appears like that there are sellers over here, there is stop loss over here. The market may try to move higher to capture the liquidity above. And it may come down. We need to see how the play is, but the play will be in between 25,552 to 25,866. Whatever may be the play, my indicator, rolling pivot, reversal magic will guide you through step by step, and CPR Gann Hilo VCP second indicator will give you alerts, early alerts, and this is the dynamic color changer pivot. So these are the three indicators combination will not make you to do mistake. They will guide you step by step. They will be with you step by step. The reason is they are directly derived from the price behavior. It directly calculates the each and every bar's price and gives a balanced line. That is the pivot, rolling pivot. That is the magic of rolling pivot. When you have the magic of rolling pivot, whether the big money makes you to be in a wrong position, you can set yourself with the help of these magic indicators, three indicators. You can be on the right track, in the right direction. You can take right position. Thank you very much, friends. I wish you all happy Deepavali. Wish you all happy trading day. Thank you very much. Nalakshi Swami signing off.